How to remove an app icon from the home screen on an Android phone. This video is brought to you by Kids.Education, your destination to download high-quality educational materials for your kids. Removing an app icon from the home screen simply hides the shortcut without actually deleting the application from your phone. Navigate to the exact home screen page that contains the app icon you want to hide. Press and hold your finger firmly on the app icon until a small pop-up menu appears. Tap Remove Icon, minus button or the trash can symbol inside that small pop-up menu. You can also hold the icon and drag it straight up to the remove text that appears at the top of your display. Watch the icon disappear from the grid, leaving a clean, empty space behind. This is how you can remove an app icon from the home screen on an Android device. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials. Now that your screen is free of unwanted clutter, your next step is to organize the apps you decided to keep. Click the video on your screen to learn how to move app icons around the home screen on an Android phone right now.